is a Bermuda grass. Bermuda grass, okay? So here, it's sort of patchy right now. Hey guys, so this is the Bermuda grass that we are cutting. We are using a 21-inch mower to do it. Now, the owner of this grass was really concerned about having a special machine that would cut Bermuda grass. So I had to go online like crazy searching, is there a special machine to cut Bermuda grass and all this and that? So I had to read about it. So there wasn't any such thing as a special machine. So what I went ahead and do, I made an appointment and went to cut her grass. And at first, I didn't even know the state that her grass was in. She was like Bermuda grass, and I saw they have a tendency to be beautiful and thick, and this one was just, there wasn't any grass at all. It was just a bunch of weed overtaking the grass. But here, Mr. Joe is working his way to mowing it, and it really looked very beautiful at the end. But there wasn't much grass to cut. It was really the weed. And yeah, so we advised her that she had to water it because it's lacking water. You can see by some of the brownish spots. Look at that brown spot right here. It's really brown. It's burnt out. So it's not getting water. It's lacking nutrients. It's need fertilizer. But she wasn't very open to spending any money and bringing the grass to life. So we just cut it and cleaned it really well. It was well manicured. So she was happy with the end results. And yeah, she was really concerned about having the right machine, the right type of machine to cut it. But we went ahead with our 21-inch machine and we did a beautiful job cutting it. So yeah, you can see it's very spotty. She needs some topsoil to be added to it there. It's really bold, very spotty, very patchy. So we wanted to fix it, but she said she didn't have the money yet. So we'll wait and see. Yeah. Tell me if you have any advice, if you have anything that you would like to share with us about Bermuda grass. Go ahead, leave comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, share, and also subscribe. Okay, that's very helpful if you can subscribe. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. Please support. And if you want us to support you, just leave a comment below and we can follow you as well and watch your videos. Anything that's good. Yeah, it looks terrible, but we did talk to her on how to take care of it. Needs a lot of water and all that stuff. So anyway, here's the end results. So yeah, guys, it's coming. Yeah, this grass. Yep. So tomorrow we're going back to cut it again. It's been about like 3 weeks. Has it been more than 3 weeks? Yeah, it's been over 3 weeks. This video is really late. So we'll see what improvements the grass has made. Look at this clay. It's really brittle, and that's where they put the grass. So there isn't any nutrients in it for the grass, and we tried to convey that to her. So we'll see what improvement it made. Okay. Yep, here's the end results. Okay guys, so now you can see the difference. We are done. We still have to come blow, but that's nothing. But cutting the grass is completely done. Look at how it looks. That's the best we could do for it. Now we didn't cut it so low. We just tried to take as much of the weed out as possible. So that way we wouldn't hurt the grass any more than what the damage from lack of water has done. So we raised the machine really high and we just were very cautious to just cut mainly the weed. Okay, and here, so you can see it's pretty brown, and when Bermuda grass lacks water, it just turns brown. But you can bring it back to life by just watering it because it needs to stay really well hydrated, moist. And right now it's not getting that. So here you can see the back. Okay, all the weed that was back there, we passed the weed eater and whacked it away. So yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Beautifully done. Well done. So we just cleaned the side of the house and yeah, so good luck. It's not impossible. It's not hard to cut Bermuda grass. I mean, this one wasn't completely healthy, but even if it was, we would have cut it as well. So go ahead, just watch a few videos, read a little bit of something, and take the job. Okay, so good luck and thank you for watching. Bye. Did it record? Ivne, Vimbalo. Wale?